Alright, class, we're going to take a quiz today, and I hope you all studied last night. Also, if you have to use the bathroom or get a drink, go to it right now, because we're not going to allow breaks during the test. So, I hope you all studied last night. So, I'm going to pass out the tests to you. Oh crap, I forgot it was today. Now what I'm going to do. Aha! I'm going to ask the teacher to use the bathroom, but I'm actually going to pull the fire alarm so we don't have to take the quiz. Good thinking, me. Hey, Baldy. Yes, Franklin. Can I use the bathroom? Yes, Franklin, but hurry quick. Okay, Baldy. Ha ha ha, there it is. The fire alarm. Now, it's time to get their attention. Alright, guys, this is a fire alarm. We have to get out of the building, quick. Alright, guys, we're out of the school building. Now, I'm going to do roll call if everybody's here, and say here or present. First, Kiff. Here. Kick the buddy. Here. Puppy and monkey. Here. Franklin. Wait, where's Franklin? Oh, I'm here, Baldy. Oh, hello, Franklin. Where were you? I was in the bathroom, remember? Oh, I remember. And now I remember. Okay, I'm here. Okay, now we have to wait for the announcement to come on so we can re-enter the building. Attention all staff and students. Our fire drill has ended. You may now re-enter the building now. And Franklin, please report to my office. Franklin, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. I am calling your dad and you're going home. Franklin, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded until you're not suspended. Now go to your room right now. Oh my god, dang it.